What is an artistic journey? Drawing is not only great for a creative outlet, but it's also a great way for self-expression and healing. In this video, we're going to cover some techniques and ways that you can gain inspiration that will help you get started to share your unique creative voice. I'll talk about a great way to document your progress on your drawing journey so that you can go back and see what you've done. I will also talk about a personal journey that I'm going to be working on and how I'm going to accomplish that. Also, we're going to talk about the healing power of drawing and ways that we can find inspiration all around us. One of the best ways to stay motivated and to stay on track with your journey is by using a sketchbook. Sketchbook is a great way to keep all your thoughts and your ideas in one place so you can go back and check it out. So choose a sketchbook that feels comfortable and inviting for you. And on each page or each time you draw, date the page so that you can see your progress over time. And also don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and techniques. The personal journey that I've chosen to do is drawing people. Drawing people can be especially meaningful when it connects to your own life and experiences. For example, creating a portrait of a loved one who has passed away can be a beautiful way to honor their memory and share it with others. Part of this journey, I need to gather reference photos and memories that's going to help guide my drawing. And then I'm going to take my time and focus on capturing the essence of the person. So drawing is not only a fun hobby, but it's also a very powerful tool for mental healing and self-care. So when we create something that holds personal value, we gain a sense of accomplishment, and that can boost our self-confidence. So a few things to consider: reflect on what brings you joy and holds meaning in your life. Also, use drawing as a way to express and process your emotions. And celebrate your creations, no matter how small or imperfect they may seem. So let's talk about finding inspiration. You can find inspiration anywhere, in the places you go, vacations, talking to people, subjects that you learn from others, nature, your dreams, all kinds of stuff. Anything that you interact with during the day or while you sleep, or just the thoughts that you have. Those can lead to inspired ideas. So a few things to consider: carry a small sketchbook with you to capture ideas on the go. Also look at things differently. Look at the shapes that are interesting. Look for patterns or textures in your surroundings and think about how that makes you feel, or what kind of thoughts come to mind when you look at those things. And don't be afraid to try new subjects and styles that intrigue you. The biggest thing to remember is that your artistic journey is yours. It is unique to you. So embrace what happens, embrace the journey, the process. And it's okay if you make mistakes. It's okay if things don't work out exactly how you see it in your mind. Just keep going with it and see where it takes you. You'll find that through time and through the practice, you'll be able to freely express your ideas and your thoughts and your feelings through drawing. You'll become more confident in your abilities to draw something out, and whatever's in your mind or whatever you see, be able to express it on paper. The biggest reason why I want to draw people for my current artistic journey is because I had a son who had passed away when he was only 2 months old, and we had a short time with him, and so our memories are limited. And we have 3 other kids now, and we want to have him be part of the family still. So I want to be able to draw something and do like a family portrait and make it look good, and so we can have that memory and we can hang it up on the wall and remember him and share our feelings and memories with our kids and with family and friends. Experiencing a child passing away was the hardest thing I've ever had to experience. And by drawing and letting out my thoughts and emotions through my artwork, I'm able to remember him in a healthy way and to work through the difficult thoughts and feelings that I have about it. As you continue your artistic journey, you'll be able to find your unique voice and keep trying new things, new skills, new techniques, and check out my other videos if you'd like to learn some time-saving tricks and techniques that will improve your drawings. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It supports me and I appreciate your help.